AQ Snooker has introduced Angles Expert for pool. First time in AQ Snooker's history. Angles Expert is specially made for with the American pool ball, which is 57.2 mm. So you will love potting your balls, love practicing your angle shots with AQ Snooker's Angles Expert for pool. Very useful tool for recognizing and understanding potting angles on pool table. So if you are struggling with the angles, all you have to do is to just set up as per our setup video your angles expert for pool table. On pool table, place the white ball on the red spot, any place any object ball, and then all you have to do is to just keep placing your ball on practicing from one spot, then from other spot, then from other spot. All you have to do is to follow these lines, which will guide you where to hit and how thick or how thin you need to hit to pot these balls. The detailed videos will be more videos will be coming soon, and there will be an ebook with it as well. So practice on it, see how it works, and you will improve your recognition of potting angles 10 times faster than any other sports. You can get a huge discount on our combo offer for technique expert and angles expert for pool. And we are specially sending a training ball with every technique expert for all over the world, that to help you enhance your game a bit further. So I'm sure you love this training ball, and it has many features, self-explanatory, and you can use them on pool table, not only just for technique expert but also for angles expert as well. So enjoy this tool. You can order it online through our official website, and you can also enjoy pools combo for technique expert and angles expert, a special offer. So how you're going to practice with it, I'm just going to give you a very simple trick. All you have to do is to align this line towards any pocket, either in the middle or any corner pocket. All you have to do is to just set it up, place any ball on this red spot, which you can see in the center, and then place your cue ball or white ball on one spot. Then you need and start practicing from this angle, then you need to practice from the other one, then so on, and then same goes from here as well. So how to use Angles Expert? This is a very good question. Now let me just explain you what you need to do. It is very simple to use and it's very joyful to use. All you have to do is to just set up this red line on that pocket, in with any pocket, either the middle or the corner one, and then just place your white ball on any of the line of these extended line of aim, and then start practicing your white ball running and over this line. Forget about the red line or anything. All you have to do is to just try to play 5-10 shots and see if you can run your white ball straight, and your finish is, if your queuing and your cue is actually finishing on this line. So this is the test, so you need to make sure you keep doing it. Again, one more attempt. Try to run your white ball on this line of aim. Do 5-10 tries and see if your queuing is going on this, if you've got chicken wing problem or anything. So make sure that you run your cue straight. Yes, like this. So once you are happy with your queuing, running your white ball on these spots, just the white ball on these lines, place the object ball, any object ball, on the red spot, and then make sure this is in the center of this circle, and just place your cue on that line of aim. Run your cue just like you were running before, and you will see if your cue is finishing straight, your object ball will start going in. So this is very interesting. Once you are very confident from this spot, then you need to put yourself a bit of a difficult, tough position, and that is the next spot. So again, place your object ball on the red line spot, and then do the same practice and see if you can spot this ball. And you can see if my queuing is finishing straight, it will always finish in the center of this line. See, let's like put ourselves in a bit of a more difficult situation, and that is going to be more thin angle. Actually, this is giving you the recognition for spotting angles. And check your cue. After every shot, check your cue. Every shot, check your cue if it is finishing in the center. So once you cover these spots, like 20-30 pots from each spot, from this one 30 pots, 30 pots, 30 pots, then you can move to a much difficult position, that is going to be the fine cut. And just place your object ball in the center of the red ball, and if you feel like that it is not in the center, make sure you tap it, place it in the center and tap it with any ball, just not too hard, but that's it. So it will stay on its spot. Again, this is a difficult spot, but you have to do is to run your cue ball on the line of aim, and hopefully this should go in. That's it. I slightly overcut it, but it was very good shot. So once you are done with it, another practice I would like to recommend is for the middle pocket. And for middle pocket, you have to place, again, just set your red line, which is the actual central line of the object ball, in the center of the pocket, and then start placing your object balls on that red spot, and use your white ball and start potting these balls. Again, start running your white ball on this line, and your ball should start going in. You can see it is finishing in the center. Once you are done with it with 20-30 pots, actually what is going to happen is you will start learning or understanding the thickness or thinness of your striking, of your object ball contact, that whether you are hitting it thin or thick, because this is your actually a ghost ball. And let's say if our white ball was here, it would have been just like this plant. Would have been a straight plant towards the pocket. So we are just removing this ghost ball theory, and we are just giving you the actual visual of these straight line of aims. So once you are confident from this spot, and now move to another spot which is a bit difficult, and try potting it in the middle, and it is a bit difficult shot. Solid bridge on the cushion, and that's it. And see if your cueing is finishing is in the center of these line of aim. So once you are confident on these two spots, all you have to do is just move yourself on the a bit of a difficult angle. So let's try to pot this ball, but make sure we chalk our cue. And once you are confident from this angle, trust me, it will be a lot easier for you to play in actual game. And what I would like to explain, that what actually angles expert do is, let's say if this is our object ball and this is going to be our ghost ball, like this is the ball, and we see if this is the contact point, this ball is showing this is our contact point towards that pocket. So we have, this is our ball where we are supposed to hit our ball. So we cannot hit it because of lack of experience or not sure where to hit. So once you aligned on these spots, and then you remove this one, and all you have to do is to run on this line, which is extended line of aim, and once our ball travels, it automatically intersects at the same contact point which should pot the ball in. So how will you get benefit once you are off the angles expert? The point is, once you start potting it like this, so then once you remove it, you will actually understand that how difficult angle you learn. But now you know how thick or thin you have to cut this ball to play this ball, to pot this in the middle pocket. So that is the biggest advantage and accurate advantage of technique of angles expert, which you can have for your game, and you can learn and understand and improve your game very quickly, 10 times faster than what you were trying before. Okay, so now it's time to practice long pots on angles expert on pool, and all you have to do is to again set this line of aim in the center of the corner pocket, or on that side or this side, whatever, wherever you are practicing, just use this. And all you have to do is to place any object ball on the center red spot as usual, and place either a training ball which is available, and try to run your cue again on this line of aim. So this spot is very difficult, and we will still try to practice this on our angles expert, because we need to learn. As I said earlier, if the ball is not setting up, all you have to do is to just place it on the center and then just tap it. That's it. Not too hard, but softly. It will set it up your angles expert perfectly.